Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an edition, many editions probably, of the Tidwell Taste Tour. Looking behind me, this is St. Mark's Square in Venice, Italy. St. Mark's Basilica, the bell tower there, with a nice view from my understanding of the city, which we'll be going up. There's an elevator. There's an elevator. Okay. So, many taste tours and many different things to come from Venice. So I hope you enjoy it, and we're going to, so stick around. So this is from the top of the Campanile in Venice, Italy. You can actually see the airport. I can see a plane on approach. I don't know if I can zoom into it or not. There it is. But, so another view over Venice, this time facing towards St. Mark's Square. I'm not real familiar with this city. It's my first time here, and I read a little bit about it, but don't know too much, so landmarks are not going to be my strong suit. But this is definitely St. Mark's Square. So this is the view from the Rialto Bridge, and quite amazing it is. It is bright here now. You see the sun directly up there, but wow, no wonder people like this view. It is unreal. So, I hope to, in coming days, get some better views of this and more views of Venice overall, but hope you enjoy this one.